Hello friends, welcome to Revexpo.com. So today I will be showing you how to submit and review on Revexpo.com. In the earlier videos, in the part 1, 2, 3, and I have shown how to create unboxing video, assembling video, and how to use videos. So we'll be using all those videos and images of the customer who has uploaded those review on our website. So let's start the step number 2, how to submit the review on Revexpo.com. So before that, you need to collect the pros and cons, the product details information. You need the store information from where you have purchased the product. So you need the product price. So collect all this information before starting this submission of the review. So let's start. The step number 1, you need to log into the Revexpo website. Once you come to the website, you need to click on e-commerce. So as I am submitting a review for a chair, so this is a chair what the customer has purchased, and the video is uploaded on our website. So I am demonstrating the same chair as a review. So you need to add a new product. Click on add a new product, and you need to fill all these details. First you select the store, online store. So I am selecting Amazon.in. Select the category, subcategory. So you can see chairs, office and computer, and select the brand of this particular chair. So Savvy Home. So you can get all this information from the invoice. So you can open the invoice and you can see the product name Savvy Home, or else you can also browse the Amazon link. So this is the brand Savvy Home, and next you can write the product name computer chair. So I will be using some description. So I have already collected some description of this particular product, so I will be using the same description over here. So I will be pasting the description of the product, and next step here you need to select the review benefit, yes or no. If you are selecting yes, so you are eligible for the review benefit for the successful review what you are submitting, and this review benefit will be paid only when this review is eligible for benefit by passing all the terms and conditions of Revexpo.com, and this will be reviewed by the Revexpo team, and time to time the status will be updated in your account. So select yes if you need the review benefit, and no if you don't want to get any review benefit. So here I am demonstrating with yes, and you need to enter the product purchase price, and this product purchase price you need to check with the invoice. You can see the price of the product, it is 4690. So the price what you are mentioning on Revexpo should be excluding these taxes and delivery charges. So you need to exclude the delivery charges and these taxes. So now actual price on this invoice is 4690 minus 715 tax amount. So 3975 will be the original price, 3975, and on this the review benefit will be calculated and shown to you. You can see this is the eligible estimated review benefit for the review what you are submitting, and this review award will be given to you on succeeding all the terms and conditions of Revexpo.com. So go to step number 2. Here you need to upload all the images and videos what I have showed in part 1, 2 and 3. So start selecting this particular unboxing video from your media folder. So here I am selecting unboxing, and the next part I will be selecting the assembling. So you can see here I have many videos over here, so you can also upload multiple videos on this part number 2. So now I am assembling After assembling, I am adding this how to use part, and in this section I also have the user manual, so I'm also uploading this video. Next I'm uploading the images. First is the invoice, second one is the package information, and third one is the unboxed package image. And if you are willing to add some more images, you can use this add more option. And next you click on the go to step number 3. So here, based on your interest, you can select yes or no regarding the product. I'm selecting yes. And now you need to add all the pros and cons, whatever you like in this product and whatever you dislike in the product, you can add all those details. And each and every pros and cons should be more than 3 words. So already I have collected the necessary information regarding pros and cons, so I am directly copying and pasting this particular information over here. So minimum 2 pros and 2 cons is necessary to submit a review. So if you want to write more than 2, you can also add those by using this add more options available on the screen. So you can add the in detail review information if you have any. So I'm adding the review information of the product. And next part is giving the star rating for the package, product, service and support, quality and satisfaction, and value for money. So based on the experience you had, so you can rate these accordingly. And at last you will be seeing 2 sections where you need to check these boxes, allowing or authorizing Revexpo team to submit your review video on YouTube channel and share the same on social media. And the last step is clicking submit my review. So once you click on submit my review, if you are successfully filling all the details, the images and videos and the information filled by you will be submitted to the Revexpo server, and it takes 2 to 4 minutes based on the size of the video. So be patient until you see the success message on your screen. Yeah, so this is the success message you see after submitting the review. So here are the details, and now if you click on this review button, it will take you to the review page having all the details you filled in, like pros and cons, images, videos what you have uploaded, invoice, everything will be shown in this page. And this will be only visible to you until the admin is approving this particular review. So you can see the status will be in the pending verification. Once it is fulfilling all our criteria and terms and condition, so we'll be updating the status of this review. Hope this video helps you in submitting a review on revexpo.com. For more information or for any technical information or issues, you can contact at email support@revexpo.com, or you can call on the support number. Please like, share and subscribe our channel revexpo.com. Thank you.